So hey guys, it's me Michael and I'm back with a brand new video. So today I'm gonna be doing like a little bit of a unboxing video. So here I have my iPhone XR, brand new, just got it from the App Store. So and we're gonna be unpacking it. So let's start unpacking it. Oh, look at these. I flipped it upside down. Here it is. Our brand new iPhone XR. Look at this, so beautiful. Okay, now we have some, how's it called? EarPods. Oh, come on, really, Apple? Why not AirPods? Like, dude, nice, really good iPhone should come with nice EarPods. Like, really, isn't that obvious? Okay, so, oh, really? We have to use, yeah. It's not like normal iPhone. See? It has like the charger thing here. Yeah, they should make normal ones. They're way better, like, really. Yeah, so this thing, I don't know what's called. Some instructions. Okay, we don't need it. Ooh, stickers. Oh, I love stickers. You can just place them anywhere. Okay, so let's try turning on the iPhone. I have no idea how to do that. Oh, here it's on. Okay, here it is. I'm gonna set it in English. Yeah, here it is. Ooh, beautiful. Whoops. Here. Okay, what is it? Select your country or region. Okay, so set it manually. Here it is. Password. I have no idea what's that. I don't know if this is right, like the password. I'm not really sure. Yes, so yeah, we can't really do it now. So just Xfinity maybe? Okay, here. Blah, 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 blah. So yeah, no, this. I picked it, come on, really? Okay, yeah, so I don't know really what's the password, so yeah. Apple, I'm gonna tell you one thing. You should give us AirPods, not EarPods, like, really. And better, how's it called, connectors or whatever, I don't know. Yeah, but still, this iPhone is amazing. I like the point. They have stickers, so I can put them anywhere. So yeah. So I've actually got to log in the iPhone, so here it is. Our awesome iPhone. Look at this. There's some like I didn't even get to download anything on it yet. Just right now, just logged in it. Yeah, hold on. So it's basically like an iPhone X, but just it's bigger. The camera is like, whoa, it's worse. Yeah, but still, they're almost pretty much the same. Yeah, like if you want to go here, you swipe up like an iPhone X. There's no button or anything. Yeah, so it looks very similar. Yeah. So I guess that's it. That's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. Bye.